Hi everyone, Janie here. Welcome back to my garden. I actually have Jason here. He is going to help me plant a lime tree today in our orchard garden, which is very, very fun. And when I started doing research on the type of lime tree that I was going to plant, I realized how little I knew about lime trees, which I should have done more research, because when we first moved into this house, I had a lime tree and I knew nothing about it. Had I done the teeniest bit of research, I could have gotten so many limes out of it. You guys will see what I mean when I'm talking about it. Jason is almost out. He's going to come. I just want to grab microphones in my office just so you guys can hear what he's saying. Okay, so I am planting what's called a Bear's lime tree. It's otherwise known as a Persian lime or a Tahitian lime. And this lime tree, it's called Bear's based off of a grower from California that made it really popular. But this is the type of lime that, these are the limes that you'll find at the grocery store. If you go buy limes at the grocery store, these are the ones you're going to get as opposed to key limes. And now key limes are, I don't know, I feel like you recognize the name, just like you recognize the name from Meyer lemons and everything like that. But when I was trying to decide which type of lime tree I wanted to plant, I decided on this Bear's one, and there's a couple reasons why. One, a Bear's lime tree is a lot more cold tolerant than key lime. Key lime is it'll start showing signs of stress and damage at 32 degrees Fahrenheit, which we got down to 32 like 2 days ago. We got down to 33 last night. So I would be losing my key lime tree, or I would have to go out and protect it really consistently. So obviously it's better in the Florida Keys or something like that probably doesn't get down to 32 degrees. This one can handle down to about 28 degrees before it starts showing signs of stress. So it's still a little borderline for me, right? But it should be able to, it's much more reliable in Northern California where I live for a lime tree. The other thing about a Bear's lime tree is, the fruit it's more productive than a key lime tree. They're slightly less acidic, which some people like the acidity in a key lime, which makes, the flavor of a key lime pie. But for like margaritas and for Mexican food, which we use most of our limes for, this is the type of limes that most people prefer using. And so that's one of the reasons why I wanted this. Now, the interesting thing, which I feel very silly, and I want to thank those of you, because some of you commented, and I kind of just passed by this comment. When I had my lime tree, when it was still alive, I had a lime tree in the orchard garden when we moved here, and it ended up dying. It was on its way out already when we moved in. But the limes kept turning yellow, right? And I tossed all the yellow limes because I thought they were done. I thought they were overripe, and I thought they were past their prime. And now I feel very silly because now that I've done research and now that I understand, right? Actually, limes are ripe when they're yellow, especially Bear's limes are ripe when they're yellow. And we are so used to being conditioned to see limes as green because producers pick the limes when they're green so that they last longer on the shelves at the grocery store. But actually, they're perfectly edible, almost even better if you eat them when they're yellow. So oh my gosh, I feel so silly because I tossed so many yellow limes. And I think I know I filmed a video about tossing the yellow limes, and I got a couple comments from people saying the limes are still edible when they're yellow. It just didn't compute. It just didn't compute. Hello, Jason.
Hello.
I got you mic'd up so that everybody can hear you. Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it. I went and bought the lime tree at the garden center, and when I was moving it, I pulled my neck. And so you're like, I'll help you.
Yeah.
I appreciate it. Okay, I have something to tell you.
Oh.
I have something to inform you.
Oh.
No, it's good. It's really interesting. Remember when we had our last lime tree and all the fruit turned yellow?
Yeah.
And we kept throwing all the yellow limes away?
Yeah.
It's supposed to turn yellow. This is the type of lime. What? Yeah. When they're yellow, they're ripe.
What?
Yes.
But the green ones were so good.
But the yellow ones were supposed to be even better. The acidity is supposed to tone down. They're supposed to be a little bit sweeter when they're yellow. But yellow limes are actually supposed to be yellow, not green. And they're
all limes are
yes. They're only green
What?
because we're conditioned to see green limes in the grocery stores because producers pick them when they're green so they last longer in the grocery stores. We're all conditioned to eat green limes even though they're technically ripe and they're yellow.
My mind is blown right now.
I know. That's what I
Are you
thought.
sure?
I just read it. I just looked it up and read it. Lots of people eat green limes. They're totally edible when they're green.
Like when you have limes in the restaurant.
Some of them are yellow.
Are they?
Yes.
I feel like they're green in the
No,
restaurant.
some
If we go
of
to
them
like
are
a
yellow.
Mexican restaurant.
Well, it depends on which type of limes that you have as well, but all limes are ripe when they're yellow. I mean, I just read this.
Like lemons.
Like, well, yeah.
Lemons, because lemons are
lemons
green
are
at the
like
beginning.
super yellow. You know what I mean?
I'd have to see a ripe lime, I guess.
Yeah. Anyway, if you guys are interested, look it up for yourselves. But I just read this. Of course, not everything on the internet is true, but I read it and I was like, oh, that explains it. And there was a sign at the garden center and it said, this variety, the limes turn yellow. The limes they turn yellow because of our temperatures, because we get colder than like the Florida Keys where they grow key limes, right? And they don't get as cold. So they're supposed to be yellow. So all those yellow limes that we threw away that we thought were past its prime, they were all fantastic.
That's crazy.
I know. Isn't that funny? Isn't that the funniest thing?
I'm going to be thinking about this all day long.
I knew you would. I knew you would. I know. It's so funny.
That doesn't even make any sense. It doesn't even compute.
Yes.
It's like saying the sky is not blue.
I know.
Yeah.
I know. So there you go. Yellow limes. So we're going to eat yellow limes. And the other thing that I read, which is crazy, is they can be stored on the lime tree. You don't have to pick them right away. So basically, it's going to bloom and then it's going to set fruit and you're going to have fruit, the limes ready. And then you can leave them on there for up to 4 months.
Even when they're yellow?
Even when they're yellow. The only time when you can't have them is probably when it gets to like summertime and they get like hollow, they get dry or they split because of rains or something like that. But basically remember we were picking them all and like saving them?
Yeah.
We didn't need to do that.
Wow.
I know.
All right.
We should have done research. There's something to research, huh? So I hope I blew your mind as much as I'm blowing Jason in my mind right now about the limes, because we had no idea. And we had a lime tree.
And they were really good green.
And they were really good green. And they might have been even better yellow.
I know, now I'm so curious.
Do you remember when people left comments and said, I eat limes that are yellow? Do you remember those comments?
No.
Oh, okay.
I have to go back and look.
I remember your comments. I remember them, those of you who left the comments. Okay, so I am mostly just filming today. Jason's doing most of the work. It's really not that much. It's not a big thing.
Should be easy to dig, right? That's all newly laid dirt.
Yeah.
Right?
Right? So we created a berm over where our last lime tree died. And that instead of digging out the roots, we took a page from Roberta Walker's handbook and we just added some extra topsoil over it. And so now this guy is going to go where there's extra topsoil, which is great because when you plant something in a berm, it has fantastic drainage and these limes need really good drainage. So it's just all working out. Here's a quick update on how the tulips are looking. It's about, I don't know what time it is, maybe 3 o'clock or something like that. And so they've opened up a little bit for the day, but you can see they are starting to look really good. My red tulips, I can't wait till they all start coming here. And then this was old Supertunia Royal Velvet. And look, I overwintered it and I'm starting to get some blooms. So we will see what happens with that. Okay, so I'm going to plant. So our old lime tree was right here in this exact same spot, and I want to plant it there again, but I think I want to plant it kind of a little bit back here.
Back more?
Yeah, like right here. So that I have all this area in front of it to plant other things. That'll be pretty.
Yeah?
Yeah, perfect.
More? Yeah? Okay.
Perfect.
You want to put anything in the bottom or no?
Yeah.
Oh, got that.
Do you want to test it first?
Yeah, good idea.
Perfect. Look how good you are.
Not bad, right?
You're like the master at digging holes.
Is it too deep?
No, it's perfect.
It's good? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, you're so good at digging holes, Jason.
I'm amazing. Yeah.
You should do them all.
Holy. I thought that was actually a compliment.
It was a compliment.
No, it's just not a bribe. It was like buttering me up.
You're so good at digging holes.
Wait. Dump that in there?
Yeah. Perfect.
I feel like that's too low.
It's not.
It's not too low?
No, because there's a couple inches of mulch.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yep. Is it straight? I feel like it's leaning some direction.
It just looks so good. I mean, I think it's fine.
Okay. It's kind of rocky, but I guess that's fine.
No, I think it's totally fine.
It'll just make
it's
permeable or whatever.
Drainage.
Yep.
Really
that's
good
what I was trying to say.
Did you see how many weeds were behind there?
Behind where?
Right behind you.
No. Oh, yeah, I did before. Yeah.
Wasn't that bad?
Yeah. Did you just do that?
Yeah. But I stopped there, so I need to keep going. Do you remember I planted raspberries?
Yeah.
They're looking good.
Yeah, they are looking good. You're right.
There's 3 of them.
Yeah, they came up way better than I
Right?
was kind of losing hope on those.
Me too.
Not losing hope, but they just weren't.
Me too. Oh, that looks great, babe. It feels good to have a lime tree back in our orchard, huh?
I know. How long is it going to take till this makes good fruit?
Oh, we should get fruit this year.
What?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Not a ton.
But some, we don't need a ton. Limes,
Yeah.
we had too many before.
No, I know. We have way too many.
It's got little blooms already, doesn't it?
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. I think we're going to get fruit this year. All right, let me show you all this information. Popular lime variety known for its profusion of green tart-tasting fruit, small fragrant flowers are followed by fruit, evergreen foliage used in teas as garnishment, baking, seasoning, or marinades. Excellent choice in containers on a patio or walkway. Plant in well-drained soil. See? Well-drained soil. We're good.
That qualifies.
What?
That qualifies.
That qualifies. Do not plant too deep. Root ball should still be visible. We did that. Water after refilling. Add more soil if settled. Citruses are heavy feeders. Water regularly. Good. 8 to 15 feet tall. Fruit season is fall. Full sun. I am happy. I think that's going to be great. Jason thinks it's crooked.
Is it crooked?
I mean,
Seems crooked to me.
it's not perfect. The bottom of the trunk is straight.
Well, the trunk's leaning to the right, isn't it?
But go get a level. Okay, yeah. Maybe it is crooked.
It's leaning.
Yeah. Now looking from here, yeah.
Now it's leaning this way. Dang.
No.
No, I mean, now it's leaning forward toward you now.
Oh. But
that looks straight from here.
that looks straight, but now it's leaning towards you right now.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That looks good. Good?
Maybe.
So if our temperature gets below 28 degrees ever, we have to protect this.
I don't see that happening.
I don't either, but if it does.
28 any year or just this year?
Any year.
Any year?
Yeah. So and I'm going to keep this a lot smaller than the other one. The other one they let grow huge. This you can control its size based on pruning.
So it's very straight now.
Yeah. No, it looks perfect. Look at you. Like, you're so good at planting plants, Jason. Jason, you're amazing at doing this. Everybody tell him in the comment section how amazing he is at planting plants, especially the big ones. Okay, you guys. So short and sweet video on Jason and my mind-blowing revelations on our lime tree. I am really excited to have this guy here. I know you're excited, and I know the girls, especially Sadie, because she loves Mexican food, right? She's going to be so happy. But I think that the important thing to remember from this video is to do your research, to figure things out. Don't throw away a whole bunch of really good limes when they're perfectly ripe and totally fine to eat, right?
Yeah.
You still can't believe it.
Know.
He's going to go inside and he's going to check. He's going to check my work because that's what he does. So
I'm not going to, no, I can't believe it.
You're going to go and you're going to research it yourself. Don't deny it. Don't deny it.
Never heard of a yellow lime.
I know. That's what it said. It said yellow is right.
I believe you. I'm just very shocked.
Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this, and I hope you all have a chance to get in your garden today.